Hi everyone, Rachel here from 360 Life Safety, here to talk to you about the products that developed our trauma lines, our xTAKs, or our different variations in our trauma aid kits. When it comes to mass casualties, they can happen at any time or anywhere. We see it almost every day when we turn on the news. It can happen in massive weather storms, earthquakes, or fire. We see it in multiple car pileups, or even with active assailants. Whether the incident is nature-made or man-made, having the ability to assist in treating victims in these situations can come down to seconds, when help can sometimes be minutes away. When we began developing our xTAKs, we wanted to expand on the American College of Surgeons' great program of Stop the Bleed. And alongside of military medics and first responder protocol, we added a few products that allowed an immediate responder the ability to not only stop the bleed in a limb with a tourniquet, but also pack joints for deep lacerations where tourniquets can't be applied, and the ability to reestablish breathing for penetrating chest wounds. With our iTAK and our mTAK, we can address these issues as well as assist with additional support components. We have PPE with gloves and safety glasses, as well as many bandaging products, CPR mask, and emergency blankets. Our iTAK, standing for Individual Trauma Aid Kit, can help to treat 1 to 3 victims depending on the injury, and our mTAK, standing for Multiple Trauma Aid Kit, can help to treat 5 to 15 victims, again depending on the nature of the injury per kit. The iTAK and the mTAK, with their wall mounting enclosures, can help create that safety station when added with an AED and a fire extinguisher. This product is already being utilized in many schools, businesses, government buildings, and houses of worship. And being able to mount this life-saving product to your wall will help you so you know it will never grow legs and walk away. It becomes highly visible. And with its blue temper tags and its inspection cards, you can make sure that your products within your xTAKs are always maintained, helping you to always be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can continue to check out these xTAKs at www.360lifesafety.com. I hope you join us again with next time we talk about the iTAK, or the Individual Trauma Aid Kit, and highlight its features. I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety. Until next time, stay safe.